Uh-oh. We're in trouble. We're in trouble.
Uh-oh. Hello.
This light starts to blink. Let me go.
CG family, what is up? Welcome back to another video. Today I am whipping the Z on Graceful Gears Trick or Treat Rally for a good cause. My dad and my family are going to be in the Mustang. You can see obviously which car is the favorite because one's garage kept and the other's out in the rain. Sadly it is raining a little bit today, but we're still going driving. I'm super excited, and yeah, I'll explain a little bit more on the road, but nonetheless this year the BMW is not going on the rally, sadly, but the two chrome wrapped V6s are, so forget the twin turbo V8. But anyways, let's hit the road. I'm gonna go pick up Veronica, which most of you guys probably know because she's been on the channel more than I have recently, but we're gonna go pick her up from her house and meet up everybody at M1 Concourse for the start of the rally. It is good to be back in the Z. All right, let's get a cold start on her. Oh yeah.
Hello.
There she is.
Hi.
We're here. Veronica's in the car, looking like a pumpkin.
Yeah.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Excited?
Very excited.
Let's go. Oh. It's a great way to start.
Yeah, very.
Christina, you didn't see that.
Yeah, just hit that part.
Maybe I'm a little more excited. All right, let's go.
Laser.
Ah, look who it is. We're meeting up the gang at M1 Concourse. There's an M1 car, and there's my car. And we have arrived. I'm super excited. I said that a million times already, but it's okay because we're doing good things today,
yes.
Right? So, if you guys didn't know, M1 Concourse has a whole entire racetrack here. They have a restaurant up there that overlooks the racetrack, and all of these units that people who buy them, I guess, get to customize them and park all their super nice cars. But yeah, we are meeting here as the starting location and super excited. There's Paulie and Christoph. Hey fellas.
Hi.
All right, you guys, so we are here at M1 Concourse. We got the Z, got the Mustang, and the Huracan, and a Scat Pack. And then my whole family is here as well. So it's a whole family event. We have the Huracan, the Aventador, and another Huracan pulling up. So it's already a good turnout, and I'll explain to you guys in depth a little more on what Graceful Gears does and their purpose. But nonetheless, let's see what else pulls up. All right, so we are handing out bags of candy to all of the drivers, and we're gonna be handing them out over the duration of the rally. So here you go, Pops, for you in my car, and one for me. This is your job for the day.
Okay, I'll be good at
You're
it.
the candy hander-outer. Sounds good. All right, you guys, so we are leaving right now because we need to get gas and we completely forgot.
Welcome.
So we're gonna go on the route. Let's see, bye-bye cars. There's a Huracan, all right. All right, you guys, so we're doing a quick splash and go.
Oh, this is a splash and go.
This is how you refuel like a Formula One driver. Do not remove card. Waiting, waiting. Enter pin. Remove card. Open the gas tank. Bite it. 93. Tastes like it. Alright. We're not gonna fill her all the way up. Go. In a second, we're about to see a Lamborghini Huracan and 20 other supercars drive by. That means we're late. All right. I feel like Lewis Hamilton. Ready to go.
We were early too.
We were early. I had to go to the bathroom, so I kind of forgot to get gas. Oh, I thought that was something. I was like, shit. Faster, faster. All right. Topped her off. Let's see how good we did. Yes. Successful.
Expand. K-band. GPS connected.
All right, we did it. They're not even here yet.
I know.
We're just gonna see them coming over that hill. It's gonna be sick. And there they are, you guys. We did it in time. Let's go. We're leaving. And we caught up just like that. There they are. Oh my God, this is a sick shot.
That is.
That is so awesome. So this year the rally is a little bit shorter. There are a few less cars, a few less houses, but nonetheless it's still the Graceful Gears rally that it usually is. Super fun. So the first stop last year was a house in like Kego Harbor area, but now we're just going straight to the high school. We're bypassing that house because they're not on the list this year. But man, looking in my rearview mirror is just one hell of a view. So shout out Paulie at Graceful Gears. Also, if you guys want to check them out on Instagram, it is Graceful Gears. That is their username. Look at all those Huracans back there, you guys. Oh my gosh, a Huracan in front, two in back. Wait, Veronica, I think there's more Huracans on this rally than any other car on this rally. Like, there's 3 Huracans on this rally. I don't think there's any other car that there's 3 of. Who is that, a TRX?
Oh my God.
That's a
There's
TR.
a lot of Huracans.
Look at this, TRX, I think, yeah. Sweet. But yeah, a lot of Huracans. G-Wagon, G-Wagon. Nah, I'll take the Huracan, thank you.
Yeah.
Definitely. All right, guys, so here's a good view. We have the Huracan up there, but look at that lineup. Oh my God. I'm literally looking in the rearview mirror more than I'm looking ahead of me. It's so bad.
Here,
It's so bad.
Watch out for that.
I swear.
2.
Wait, we have a police escort with WB this year? No way. Last year West Bloomfield was the only department not to give us an escort, but this year they came in clutch, so shout out WB. Oh, they just blocked off the entire intersection back there. That's awesome, bro.
Same.
I was like, how are we already in trouble? Because I wasn't expecting.
I know, same.
Because I knew, okay, like in the frameworks, we had folders for every single police department except for West Bloomfield. So I didn't think we were getting, I guess it was last minute. Last night I talked to Paul, I was like, did you contact WB? He's like, no, I didn't. So I was not expecting that. I was like, how are we already getting pulled over, bro? There's like nobody here. Oh, there's a few people here. Last year there was a lot of people here. Dang. There we go. Our first escort of the day is West Bloomfield. So shout out West Bloomfield. There's all the cars. There's a few cars here. Look at everybody pulling in. Oh shoot, look at the cars that are on the rally. That's pretty sick. Look at the last few that pulled up. There's some classics up there. I didn't even see those because we went to the gas station. Oh man, look at that. Sweet. A few cars here. Hey, there's another 350Z. That's sick. Twins.
I know.
Alright, so not as many cars here as there were last year. I have a good excuse for that. Allow me to explain. Literally, everybody and their mamas are at East Lansing right now because U of M is playing Michigan State. So like 2 of the biggest rivals, and they're both undefeated. So like literally nobody is in Southeast Michigan right now. That's my excuse as to why nobody's there. But there was a few cars there. Basically the West Bloomfield is just the public spot for anybody who wants to see the rally. And the rest of the rally is kind of private, I guess. It's kind of tailored towards people's specific homes. So there's the other escort. Dude, this is fire. Thank you, WB. Shout out. All right, we should be meeting up with the second escort, which is Bloomfield Hills. I don't know when, but somewhere along this road, they're gonna probably pop out of nowhere. Anyways, Veronica, you wanna steal some candy with me?
Yeah, turn off the camera.
Turn off the camera. It's like, bro, we get to the first house and it's completely empty. Like, sorry kids, there's no more candy left. All right, let's go. All right, let's get some candy, let's go. Give me a Snickers. But yeah, like I said, handing out candy to houses, because forget cars and coffee, we like cars and candy.
Yep.
That's what we like.
Changing it up.
We like it. There's our second escort. Here we go. Ooh la la. Guys, this shot is so pretty. Look at the fall trees. Oh yeah, fall is definitely the move. Look at the deer.
Where?
The deer.
Oh!
Bambi. I'm glad they didn't jump out in front of us.
I know.
That made Polly's car even more red. So I never got the chance to explain to you guys what Graceful Gears is all about. Graceful Gears is a charity organization based in Metro Detroit area that is kind of geared towards uplifting the spirits of children with special needs or people like elderly folks just by giving them rides in supercars. In this case, we're doing a rally because I like working with Polly. I just like volunteering my time for this charity. And one day, you know, we were sitting in our bedrooms just on FaceTime, and we're like, we can't host the usual charity event, which is hosted at M1 Concourse and other racetracks around the nation. We couldn't do that because of COVID. And then I just like, it popped in my head. I was like, why don't we do a rally? Like, why don't we drive to them? If they can't come to us, let's go to them. So we threw it together last year, and we did it once, and we're doing it again. Luckily this year was a lot easier to kind of put together because we had the frameworks from last year. But this year we threw a little candy in there because it is Halloween. All right, you guys, so we are in the first neighborhood now, going to surprise the first house. Well, I don't know if it's much of a surprise, but you know, you get the point, you get the gist. Hi!
Hi. Hi. Here you go.
Happy
So much.
Happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween. Gorgeous car.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Love you guys. Oh, that's awesome. And there's the rest of the cars. Oh man, this is just stunning. So guys, every year when we go to the high school, we get like 1 or 2 cars that tries to join the rally from the high school. Usually they're successful, not gonna lie, but I don't know. It's kind of not really a pet peeve, but it's like, okay. It's like, okay. Like that, it's like, uh-oh, we're in trouble. We're in trouble.
Hello.
This light starts to blink. Let me go out. I'll get over here and block this lane. You guys will have clear traffic left, and we'll just keep it going.
All right, sounds good.
As soon as it starts to blink, but I can't.
Yeah.
It's smoke with one car with a crosswalk, but
She's waiting over there. Is that Polly?
Polly is in the Lamborghini over there and waiting on the police escort. There we go.
There's the cop.
Low-key, that cop, I thought he was coming to block off the intersection for us, but he booked a left and took off. So I guess he's responding to another call.
Is he gone?
Yeah, he's gone. He took off. He probably got another call for something.
Turn his lights on. Here you go.
Happy Halloween!
Hi.
On our way, you guys!
Woo!
Woo! Yeah! Woo!
This is too cute. Oh my goodness.
Oh!
This is too cute. Oh my gosh.
They're so adorable.
And we're handing out candy. Shoot, they all got a bag.
I know.
We got a lot of candy to hand out.
Hi! Here you go. Here you go.
Guys, I don't know if you could see the lights back there. Probably not. But the police escort is all the way in the back of the rally. Like, what good is that doing us up front? Let's be honest. But you can see way back there the flashing lights. I don't know why, but I guess we're doing police escorts in the back now. That's okay. No complaints. Better than no escort at all. You know. Come on, work your way up, Mr. Officer. We need your assistance. There we go. Alright, so how is this gonna work? Is he just gonna block off this intersection? I don't know. Alright you guys, so we are at the middle point right now. This is the CVS that we kind of take our break at, get water, go to the bathroom. We're just gonna park and kind of hang out. We can get a better up close look at all of these cars finally, since we had to leave early from M1 because I had to get gas. We never really got to see all the cars up close, but now we can. So Let's park. You smell that, Veronica?
Yeah, I do actually.
That's. All right, you guys. So, like I said, we are here at CVS, kind of the middle point. Stretch our legs. This SVJ in back of me, arguably one of the nicest cars, like the nicest car on the rally. Like, perfect spec, like absolutely stunning. Let's be real. And he's driving it in the rain. Thank you to all the supercar owners that had the guts to take their cars out in the rain today for a good cause. Anyways, quick montage of like the 20 cars that are on the rally. Let's get it. All right, you guys, so we're waiting here with all of the cars, but it just so happened that another car died right out here. So the police from our police escort went out and blocked traffic, and I guess there goes our police escort, but I don't know why I'm carrying quarters right now. I literally don't know why, but anyways, we got some classics out here on the rally in the rain. I can't imagine driving this thing while it's raining. Like, that's props to whoever brought this out, because yeah, I definitely wouldn't have, but thank you. We love tunnels. We're so childish. So, good news, bad news. Good news is, well, there's no good news. Bad news is my camera died. So now I'm on my phone. So I don't know if there's an audio or a visual difference, but we're still going though. We're still going. Anyways, the trees are super pretty though. Fall, Michigan fall weather, super nice. Yeah?
I really like
You look like a pumpkin. You look like one of the trees, Loki.
Yeah.
You could just go hide in one of the trees.
Like this.
Yeah, in the tree. We made it to the next house, you guys.
Here you go.
Trick or treat.
Yeah, of course.
Oh, the Royal Oak Police are right there. I didn't even notice the police were right there. That's the Royal Oak Police were sitting right across the street. Yeah. Oh, look at these. There's a S2K, you guys. Ooh, that's so clean. But look at this. Look at this house. They went all out. Oh my goodness. I think this is the last house. So how's it going handing out candy?
Very nice.
They're giving us a little obstacle with 2 cars to get around. You got 3 kids to hand out candy. You got a lot of candy, girl. Get that going. Go, go, go. You can see what we're doing. We're handing out bags, and then each car has a bag of candy, and we're just kind of handing it to
More kids.
a lot of 5 kids, 4, 5 kids. Woo. Girl, get those candies ready.
Girl. Hi.
Hi guys. Happy Halloween.
No problem.
Oh my gosh. It's a dead end. We're gonna be busting a U-turn. Austin Powers moment here. Anyways. Whoa. Everybody's busting U-turns. Dad, don't bottom out my car. Look at all these cars trying to back up. Oh my god. It's a mess. I think that was the last house. I'm not sure. But anyways, you guys, I kind of want to end the vlog off here. You guys get the gist of what's happening. We're going to be going at it. We might be going at it for a few more houses. Anyways, I want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys stay tuned for the coming videos. Sadly, we did have videos on our new electronic exhaust cutouts by X-Force. And we also had a video with the Nissan Frontier, which was a pre-production model given to us by Nissan for the week. But both of those got deleted because the SD card got destroyed. So I guess the Frontier video is gone forever. But the X-Force exhaust, I'm gonna make a review video because I just love those things. They're super fun. Anyways, stay tuned for those, and we will catch you guys in the next video. Peace. Oh yeah, Veronica. Peace.